The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And these two videos is about two different incidents that had happened, and I'm going to explain to you in the meanwhile I'm presenting these videos to you. You understand me? Yeah, now the first video we're going to talk about is about a video. Yes, it's out on social media. And this video shows of a female explaining as to what had happened, where it is said that a restaurant that is known as a Chinese restaurant within the New Kingston area of the country of Jamaica had caught on fire, right? And I'm talking about the incident where the Chinese restaurant had caught on fire within the place that is known as Knoxford Boulevard, that is of the area that is known as New Kingston, that is of Kingston, Jamaica, right? Yeah, and this said to have happened on the 10th of March 2020, right? And I also did a video about this incident, and I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video so that you can have a look at that video and might give you a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. You understand me? Yeah, so I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. But however, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video right about now that shows of the female explaining as to what had happened. She's telling her side of the story as to what had happened that day. But viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that this person has burn on her face because she had been injured and her face has burns and so on her face, isn't it? And I'm just trying to put a warning out there that right now, as I'm about to present this video to you, that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look and observe.
Yes, good morning, people. I was in the fire at the tour restaurant. I have been working there from the 14th of January. Last week, Thursday, I was going around to the back where them wash the plates them. And I smell gas. I stopped there and I said to one of my co-workers, I smell gas as a man. You don't smell gas? I smell gas as a. They call the Chinaman that I saw. That's how we call him. But when they spell him name, it's a different spelling. Him say him not smell nothing. Friday the same thing, Saturday the same thing. Monday night now, I see the man take up tools, say I'm going to fix gas. Tuesday morning before the incident or the accident, about 10 minutes before that, the man take up tool again, say I'm going to fix gas. My co-worker now, the chef, him light the fryer first, that is the deep fryer, and then him light the stove, the oven stove, that is where we are going to bake the chicken then. I was there because I'm supposed to take on medication, so I try light the stove now, the top of the oven, that is the stove itself, to fry 2 egg now, to take my medication. When me look, me I'm going to see the fire get up from underneath the big stove of them do the fried rice and all of them something there. When me tell you some people it was so frightening, but me thank God it could have worse than this. But when me I get to understand now, all of the people them are on YouTube and do the thing them not get the right information because I don't know who give them the information or what. I just, the people them in the street where I take the video, no disrespect, who don't really know what I want because see, they don't look at my face. This is Wednesday morning and look at me. And then I'm going to say 1 person get injured. 2 persons get injured. The man that own the place where I go fix the gas, him stand up back in front of the building and saw him get blown across the street. And then they are used to with the eternal building. But see how me look here, me burn up, Me burn up. Look at me now. I am a bartender by professional. I went to the art trust. Who is going to hire me looking like this now? How long me have to sit down before my face come back before me can get to work? Some just want to know, say, I want somebody get injured. Some don't know who I cover it up or whatever, but people, this is the real story. And the people, them neglectful because me I tell them some I smell gas on the Thursday. And before them calling professionals to do it, them don't do it. them a try to fix it themselves because they're mean and neglectful.
Viewers and subscribers, if what this lady had said turns out to be true, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, this sounds like neglect. You see what I'm saying to you? And I'm only saying if what she had said is true because I was not there. So therefore, me can say, yes, a true she has said. You see what I say? But if what she had said is true, it don't look good, viewers and subscribers. This just don't look good. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, And have any of you ever heard about the Jamaica Eye? Yeah, Jamaica Eye. My understanding of the Jamaica Eye is that there are surveillance cameras put at places throughout Jamaica Island that helps to increase the safety of the citizens or persons that are within the island of Jamaica, and it helps the authorities of Jamaica to carry out their duties and to respond to disasters and criminal activities and accidents and other things as well. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, that's my understanding of the Jamaica Eye. You can tell me if I'm right or I'm wrong, but I'm telling you how I understand it. You see me? The Jamaica Constabulary Force had released a video that shows of an incident that had happened where it is said that 4 persons had been arrested along Constant Spring Road, that is of the country of Jamaica. So that is Constant Spring Road, that is of the parish of St. Andrew, that is of the country of Jamaica. And this had happened on the 11th of March 2020. Now, it is said that these persons were involved in a robbery of a UWI student. Now, according to reports, it is said that with the quick action of police officers or the Jamaica Constabulary Force members, along with the right informations and with the assistance of technology or technologies out there, it is said that the Jamaica police or police officers were able to arrest these persons, and it is said that 2 firearms had been seized with multiple rounds of ammunition, and it is said that these persons are believed to be involved in other criminal activities as well. You see me? Now, this video that had been released by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and it is now out on social media, it is said to be from the Jamaica Eye. So what I'm saying to you, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, just so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, and just so that you can have an understanding as to what they're talking about when they say the Jamaica Eye. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so this video is out on social media. You can let me know what you think. Oh, and before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? And this video has no audio as well. You understand? Yeah, it's just basically you can see what's going on, but you can't hear what's going on, alright? So here is the video. Take a look and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, well, this is where I leave it. You don't know me Dancehall skill. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. You know, you can let me know what you think about these two videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. Yes, they're out on social media. Comments have been made about these videos on social media. You see me? And some good, some bad. You don't know the thing set already. You know, most likely a lot of times you will not get persons out there to be on the same page. But you don't know, everyone has their right and freedom to their own opinion. Alright, so anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about these two videos, and this is where I'm gonna leave it. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and you can check the comment section, as sometimes my viewers and subscribers leave some comments in the comment section that can be very informative. And if you need to contact the Dancehall Skilla, just read the description down below the video and so on. And you don't know me do my thing already. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.